In this video, I'm going to show you how to read a CSV file in Kaggle. Now to do this, the first step you have to take is to locate the file path. Now to do this, you can use the code method or the manual method. Now the manual method I think is easier because you simply have to go to your datasets over here on the right, and then you want to extend the one you want to work with like this. I extended both over here, and you simply want to copy this part. So as you can see, it's going to give you like a CSV, and if you click on copy file path, this is how you can basically get the file path. And this one is looking like this, as you can see, and that's the thing you're gonna have to copy. Now, if for some reason this is not working for you, you could use a Python code snippet, which looks something like this. So I'm just going to run this for you to actually show you. As you can see, it's going to give me two things, which are these two CSVs, but they're the exact same things as if I were to just copy this or this, I'd get the same file path, okay? So if you want to, you can just retype that in and it's going to work for you as well, but I just usually prefer copying them from here because it's simpler, okay? Then what you have to do to actually read the CSV file, we're gonna be using pandas. So I'm gonna click on code plus code over here, and what you have to do is the following. You want to type in import pandas as PD, and then you want to do enter because it's not going to trigger anything. I like putting two of them just so I have some space, and then you want to do the following. You want to do file underscore path, and then you want to do spacebar equals spacebar, and you want to do this kind of apostrophe over here, like these quotation marks. So when you basically just type in one, it's going to give you two of them, and inside here you want to put in your file path, okay? So I'm going to copy this one over here, I'm going to click on it, copy file path, and I'm going to paste it in here, and that's basically the main part done, okay? Now what you have to do as well is you have to of course load the data. So you want to do, again, go in a separate line and type in df and then equals, and then spacebar PD dot read underscore CSV, and then file path, okay? So file path, just like this. Now, you don't have to really understand this. If you're just trying to read the CSV, you can just retype what I'm doing over here, and it's going to work for you as well. Now, over here, you also have to select how many of the rows you want to preview. So by default, we're going to do 5. I'm going to do df dot head, and then just like these brackets without anything in them. So if I now go ahead and basically run this, it's going to read the first 5 lines of this CSV. Now if you want to load more, like maybe 10, you can just type 10 in here inside these brackets, run it, and there we go. It's going to put it, of course, it's going to give me 10. I could do like maybe 20 or 30 over here, run, and it's going to give me that exact amount I typed in there in just a few seconds over here, okay? So that's essentially how you can read a CSV file using, of course, pandas inside Kaggle, and yeah, that's essentially it. You just have to change the file path over here, and it's going to read it for the one that you want. So if I change this, for example, over here, just like this, and I'm going to change this to 10 again, I can run this, and there we go, it's going to run it for that specific one. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.